The agentic AI market is a great example of why we built the pyramid. And as a matter of fact, it was the first market we looked at when we were developing all this. The agentic AI market is changing so rapidly that any traditional tool is woefully out of date by the time it's published. For definition purposes, agentic AI basically means the layer in an organization between the language models, stuff like ChatGPT or Grok on one side, and the operational systems like ERP and CRM on the other. It's the layer that has the agents that are moving information back and forth, making decisions, things of that sort. And so agentic AI is one that clients always want to know what's going on, but it's constantly changing in technology. The use cases are evolving seemingly daily, and new market entrants are given in this space. So in the initial pyramid that we developed for agentic AI, what we saw was that there are some key players that were at the top of the pyramid, and the difference maker attribute that we looked at for them is customer experience. The reason we keyed in on this is customer experience is critical right now in helping firms figure out agentic AI. You can't just buy these systems, hope you get them all integrated properly, and start running them. You're going to take a bunch of flawed processes and run them more quickly through AI and get really corrupted, broken processes more rapidly than you did before. So these are firms that we feel do a really strong job of the customer experience side of things, even as they're handling all the other aspects that we evaluate on the pyramid. This is a market that we expect to change very dramatically almost daily. We're going to see new entrants coming into this market, others leaving. We're going to see mergers. We're going to see more offerings from large players in the space trying to knock the little guys out who are highly innovative. So this is our first agentic AI pyramid. It really looks at the maturity, influence, and acceleration potential, and the depth of capability and market integration of some of the key players out there for those organizations who inevitably are going to try to figure out how they're going to make agentic AI revolutionize their business.